Hello everyone. Today we will solve our question number 6 of our exercise 4.5 chapter number 5. So as I told you in the last video, this is the one of the most important exercise, and question number 6, this is the one of the most important question of this exercise. Okay, so let's solve this question. So here this is given to you. Okay, I'm assuming that this equation is equals to y. Fine. Now I'm assuming that that is u and this is v. Fine. So this is your u and this is your v. So our y is equals to u plus v. This is let. Fine. Now we are differentiating both sides with respect to x. This equation we are differentiating. So this would be dy by dx equals to, and this is du by dx plus this is dv by dx. So this is your equation number 1. Fine. After this, we are assuming that this is equals to u like this and this is equals to v like this. Okay. So here what I'm doing here, this has a power x. Fine. So if you will take log, so it will be very easy for us to solve this question. So that's why we will take log both sides and we get u will write. So this would be, if you take log, this would be log u is equals to this power will come first if you will take log. So this would be x log and this term x plus 1 by x. Fine. Now here you have two different functions, x and log x plus 1 by x. So you have to differentiate this, or you have to apply product rule in this. So what I'm doing, I'm differentiating it. So okay, I'm not writing, you have to write, you will write, you have to write in the exam. Okay, so if you differentiate it, you will get 1 by u, that is du by dx is equals to this will remain the same, and derivative of this, so it is log. So this will be 1 upon x plus 1 by x, this is a derivative of this, into derivative of this x plus 1 by x, this would be 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, this is the derivative of x plus 1 by x. Fine. Okay, I'm repeating this step again. This x will remain the same, and derivative of log x plus 1 by x will be 1 upon this term, 1 upon this term, into derivative of this. The derivative of x would be 1, and derivative 1 by x is 1 minus 1 upon x square. So minus 1 upon x square, plus this would remain the same. Now this would remain the same, into derivative of x, that would be 1. Okay. Now you have to simplify it. In here you will take LCM, so this will be x by, it would be x square plus 1 over x like this, into here you have to take LCM, it would be x square minus 1 upon x square like this. Fine. Plus this would be log x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. So in the next step, this u will come on the right hand side. Just wait, I'm showing it, just wait. Now here you can see, here this 1 by u du by dx, and this I have just simplified it. So x square will cancel out, and this and this term will cancel out, plus log this. Okay, now this u will come here like this, and here you have to write x square minus 1 over x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x like this. At a place of u, you have to write this, which you have assumed. Okay, so I have just put the value of u here, and it will remain the same. So this is your equation number 2. This is the value of du by dx. Fine. Now we have to differentiate v. See, just wait, here it is. This v is equals to x plus x raised to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So here you have to take log both sides. So this will come first, wait, this would be log v is equals to log x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. It would be, so the power will come first like this, and it would be log x. Again you have to apply product rule here. Okay, so here I am differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it would be 1 by v dv by dx. Fine, that is equals to this will remain the same. I have taken the LCM, x plus 1 by x like this, and we are differentiating this first. Log x, that is 1 by x. The derivative log x is 1 by x, so I have written here. Plus log x will remain the same, and derivative this would be minus 1. This derivative 1 will be 0, and 1 by x will be minus 1 upon x square. So like this. This is a derivative of 1 plus 1 by x. Now you have to just simplify it. It would be x plus 1 over x square plus, oh sorry, this minus sign will come here. This will be log x over x square. Okay, I think this step is clear now. Now in the next step, this you have to bring this v here, and you have to put the value of v like this. See, like this. Okay, so here you have to write v will come on the right hand side. You have to put the value of v here. Okay, this will remain the same, and then this is your equation number 2. This is the value of dv by dx. Now we are using 2 and 3 in our equation number 1. Okay, your equation number 1 was dy by dx plus du by dx. So this is the value of du by dx, that is this one. Your equation number 1 was dy by dx, that is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This was your equation number 1. Okay, this was your equation number 1. So your dy by dx will remain the same here with this one. Du by dx, here you have the value of this one. You have to just put the value plus dv by dx. So here you have a value of dv by dx. You have to put, and just you have to leave the answer like this. Okay, so this is your question number 6 of this exercise, which is very important. So practice it at least 2-3 times. Got it? Now we are solving our question number 11. Okay, and rest of the question number 7, 8, 9 you can solve. They are very easy. Okay, and the question which I feel a little bit difficult, that would be question number 11. So I'm solving this question here. If you have doubt, you can if you have doubt in question which I have not done, so you can send the pic of that question in our group. Fine, so I will solve that question also, but I'm much sure about that you will solve all these kinds of questions if you have done question number 6 or 11. Okay, so here I'm solving question number 11. See, this is given to us. Okay, so we are assuming that that is equals to y. Or again, same funda you have to apply here. This is your u and this is your v. So y equals to u plus v. Fine. So here I'm differentiating this. So you will get this equation, that is your equation number 1. So here your u is equals to this one. Okay. So I'm taking log both sides. So if you take log, the power will come first. So this will be log u, and it will be x log of x cos x. As you know that if there is a log, and when the two functions are multiplying, so we can write like write this, that is x will remain the same, log x plus log cos x, like this. So we can write like this. Now in the next step, I'm inserting this x inside this, so it would be x log x plus x log cos x, like this. Okay, now as you can see that if you differentiate it, here you have to apply product rule, or again in this you can apply product rule. Fine. So I'm writing differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get it would be log u, so it would be 1 by u, that is du by dx, that is equals to log x will remain the same. Product rule, this log x will remain the same, the derivative of x would be 1, plus x will remain the same, the derivative of log x would be 1 by x. Okay, Now plus plus. Here this x is same, derivative of log cos x, that would be 1 by cos x, into derivative of cos x would be minus sin x. Okay, plus this log cos x will remain the same and derivative of x would be 1. Okay, now the same you have to copy here, that is equals to sign, and this would be log x plus plus this x and x will cancel out, it will give you 1 plus this is your plus, no, this minus sign will makes it minus, so the minus x sin x upon cos x, that would be tan x, so x tan x you have to write, plus plus it is log cos x. Okay, in the next step just you have to bring this u here and you have to put the value of u. Okay, let me adjust the next page. So here you can see, okay, yes, here you can see this is the value of u I have put. Okay, and this is remain the same, so this is your equation number 2 and that is the value of du by dx. Fine, and next is your v was this. Again you have to take log both side, this 1 by x will come first and it would be log x sin x, and this would be log x plus log sin x. You can write this like this, and this x you have to insert, this will come in the denominator, and if you have to differentiate it, you have to apply quotient rule here. Okay, so we are differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this would be 1 by v, derivative of v will be du by dx is equals to in the quotient rule, this for this second function will remain the same and derivative of the numerator part, so derivative of log x will be 1 by x plus derivative of log sin x, that would be 1 by sin x. Okay, and derivative of sin x would be cos x, bracket close, minus this numerator will remain the same and derivative of denominator, so in denominator you have x, so derivative of x will be 1 over square of denominator. Fine, in the next step just you have to simplify it. I mean inserting this x inside this, so it would be 1 plus x, this is cos x upon sin x, that would be cot x, so x cot x minus log x minus log sin x. Okay, the sign will change because minus is outside, and this v will come, this v is coming here. Okay, so now you have to put the value of v and this will remain the same. Now you have a value of dv by dx and you have a value of du by dx and dv by dx. These two values you have, okay, here and here, and just you have to put these values in equation number 1. That's it, nothing you have to do. I'm not showing it, you have to do, just you have to put this value in the equation number 1 and you will get dy by dx. Got it? So this is how we can solve this question number 11. Okay, now this is your question number 12 of exercise 5.5. okay, see this equation is given to us. Okay, x raised to power y plus y raised to power x equals to 1, and we have to find out dy by dx from this equation. So what I'm doing, I'm assuming that this is your u and this is your v, that is equals to 1. Okay, now we are differentiating it, on differentiating with respect to x, so you have to write the statement here. I'm not writing here, you have to write. Okay, so this is u, this will be du by dx plus this will be dv by dx, that is equals to 0 because the derivative constant is 0. So this is your equation number 1 here. Okay, so this is your u is equals to x raised to power y. So what we are doing, we are taking log both side. Okay, I'm using this kind of shortcut, but in exam you have to write taking log both side, we get, fine, all these things you have to write properly. So this is log u is equals to y will come first and this is log x, Fine. Now you have to differentiate it. Okay, after this step you have to differentiate it, and this will be 1 by u, and du by dx, that is equals to, here you have to apply product rule. So your log x will remain the same and y will be dy by dx, because we are differentiating here with respect to x. So derivative y will be dy by dx, plus this y will remain the same, and derivative of log x will be 1 by x. Okay, and just you have to simplify it, and this u will be come here, and you have to put the value of u, and all this thing will remain the same. Okay, so this is your du by dx. Fine. Similarly, here your v is y raised to power x. Again you have to take log both sides. This is log v is equals to x log y. Fine. Now here we are differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it will be 1 by v dv by dx is equals to, okay, this x will remain the same, and derivative of log x will be, log y will be 1 by y, and then derivative y will be dy by dx. Okay, plus this log y will remain the same, and derivative of x will be 1. This is 1. Okay, this is 1. Then your v will, just you have to arrange all this, and this v will come here, okay, like this, and you have to simplify it, and then you have to put the value of v, that is y raised to power x, and this is your dv by dx. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1. So here I am putting, so this is your du by dx plus dv by dx, that is equals to 0. Okay, so here I have to write from 1. Okay, from 1 you are writing this, and now what you have to do, you have to insert this xy in this, and this y by x in this. Okay, and then you have to arrange dy by dx term on one side and next term on other side. Okay, let me adjust the next page, just wait. Like this you have to solve. Okay, like this. So here I have just insert this xy into this, and into this you will get this, and you have to insert y by x into the next bracket, and you will get this. Okay, so this is your dy by dx, and this is your dy by dx. So these two term will remain here, and the rest of the term you have to shift on the right hand side. So this will come on the right hand side like this, the sign will change, this is plus, this is minus, and this last term will come on the right hand side, this will be negative. Okay, now you have to take dy by dx common, it will be xy log x plus this is this y raised to power x, this y raised to power 1 only. So here you can apply exponent, that is y raised to power x minus 1, we can write y raised to power x minus 1. Fine, this is x, got it, is equals to minus this, again both are base have both are x, and the power of this can be done as x raised to power y minus 1 into y, minus y raised to power x and log y, like this, and then you have to bring this in the denominator of this, like this. So this is the required dy by dx. This is how you can solve all parts. Question number 13, question number 14, question number 15 you can solve. Okay, if you have doubts you can ask me. Okay, so these were the very important question which I did. Fine, if you have doubt in any other question which I have not solved, so you can ask. Okay, bye bye, take care students, God bless you.